Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your headphones House of Marley. And the first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. And then at the bottom of the left ear cup we have USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port. And near to this port we have this LED light, so it means that it's charging. Now, the second option is to use your phone to charge your headphones. And all you need to have for this, just USB-C to USB-C cable. If your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second USB-C cable at the USB-C port or at your left ear cup. And again we have this LED light, so it also works. And the last option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable. So it looks like this. You can use it, let's say, to charge it of your PC. And you just connect USB-A cable to your PC or another device with USB-A port and USB-C cable to your headphones, and again the same LED light. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!